Saint Vincent de Paul once said, "Charity causes us to adjust to everyone so that we can become helpful to everyone." This year has most certainly been a year of adjustment. The global pandemic required us to adapt the way we teach, the way we learn, and the way we serve our community.
Vincentian Service Day is one of our most valued traditions at DePaul University. This year, in order to keep both the DePaul community and our surrounding neighbors safe, we are once again carrying out our acts of service remotely.
Your act of service may look different, but the spirit is the same. No matter what, St. Vincent and St. Louis would be proud.
Remember, one small act of charity can make a lasting impact.
Thank you for participating in this year's Vincentian Service Day. Please stay safe and take care, DePaul.
Today is Vincentian Service Day at DePaul University, an opportunity to do something that Vincent de Paul did when he was young. He was a searcher. He went out to find himself, and he found himself in serving others, in engaging in active, proactive solidarity. Today, we have the opportunity to go out and find others, to serve others, and while doing that, find ourselves, the best of us, our own souls. Because the best of us is when we are in solidarity. Let's go out, find ourselves. Let's go out and find the gift of DePaul and present that gift to others. Today is Vincentian Service Day, an opportunity to serve, to engage in solidarity, and to love.
In Christianity, it is said that the followers of Christ are known by their love. That's how the world recognizes us. May you use wise discernment as you go out in service to know what shape your love should take. Know when to speak and when to listen, when to push or pull, when to give, when to receive. Know if you just simply need to help hold someone else up. May you know exactly what kind of love to give. May you pour out of yourself the abundant love I know each of you has in you.
Shalom and Boker Tov. Jewish tradition tells us that when one destroys a life, they have destroyed the entire world. And so conversely, when one saves a life, they have saved the entire world. On this day of service, I leave you with the words of Rabbi Yamira, who said this: "When one occupies themselves with the needs of the community, that's one who occupies themselves with the needs of justice." A prayer. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu la'asok b'tzorkeya tzibor. How full of blessings are you, Eternal One, our Creator, Majesty of the universe, who has consecrated us with commandments and commands us to occupy ourselves with the needs of the community. Amen.
We learn in our tradition, Ahabu nasi illallahi anfa'ahum. The most beloved of people to God are those who most benefit others. On your path of service, may you find all the blessings that surround those who endeavor to spread beauty, compassion, kindness, and justice.
We're excited for you to begin your Vincentian Service Day. If you have pre-registered, check your email from serviceday@depaul.edu. If you're not registered but you'd still like to get involved, go to serviceday.depaul.edu, where we've included ways that you can participate.
We hope you share what you did on social media. Share a picture or video from your day, or take a picture with your pet, family, or roommates. Use hashtag DePaulVSD.
Welcome to our DePaul students, staff, faculty, and alumni in Chicago, in the country, and all over the world to Vincentian Service Day.